bike bus is a really important way of creating an environment in which they can be active. A lot of young people now come into school by car, and that's probably the huge thing that we notice on the bike buses, that social interaction. Obviously we've got music and just the feel of maybe doing something slightly different as part of that journey to school.
Active travel, getting from A to B, whether it's to school, to your place of work, has so many benefits. I think speaking to the young people here, you'll find that they're happier, they're energised when they get to school, and it's obviously got the health benefits that goes with it. I think so many schools have the potential to do this.
It's fun because the music and a lot of my friends are doing this, so we can talk on the way to school and stuff.
I get to be with my friends, I get to talk to people, I get to see people, and I get to have a go on my bike and I get to have fun.
It's really important for them to, as part of their mental health and well-being, it's an opportunity for them to have some fresh air first thing in the morning and make use of the lovely local area that we have here. It also helps that it reduces the traffic that we have here close to the school as well, and makes everything a little bit easier for us as a school and as a community.
We're seeing bike buses popping up all over the place. We're seeing more and more of them happening in Wales, and it just demonstrates that there is demand from young people, from parents and from schools, that they want to see more active journeys taking place to school.